What's going on mga kasintas? It is your boy J-Lord Moya coming back for another video to share you guys my first experience buying a sneakers in StockX. But before we proceed, if you're new on my channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you guys will be notified when I'm uploading a video like this. Okay mga kasintas, buying a sneaker in StockX is pretty simple. So first, you just need to create an account and link your bank details, debit or credit card, or you can use your PayPal for payments. Then secondly, you just need to go to search button, search what sneakers you want, then after that, you pick your own size. Okay guys, there's two options how to buy in StockX. So number one is either you place a bid or you will buy it now. But in my case mga kasintas, I place a bid and luckily inaccept naman ni buyer yung offer ko. Okay mga kasintas, once na inaccept na ni buyer yung bid mo, so ang gagawin ni buyer is send niya yung shoes doon sa StockX within 2 working days. So in total guys, nag-place ako ng bid ng Saturday, dumating sa kanila yung item ng Monday, then they ship from US to UK at dumating siya dito ng Thursday. So I was surprised kasi napakabilis nung transaction.
Oh my God! Wow!
Okay guys, eto siya. So clearly naka-double box. So tignan natin kung anong itsura niya. Okay nga pala mga kasintas, ito nga palang binili kong sapatos is para ma-complete na yung gusto ko na i-complete na Jordan 1 to Jordan 13. So ito na lang yung kulang ko, kaya gusto ko lang sanang i-share sa inyo. And happy naman ako at makukumpleto ko na siya at this time.
Another one. Stop it. Get some help.
So, eto na guys yung sapatos na kukumpleto doon sa collection ko na 1 to 13.
No! God, please, no! No! No!
So, ito si Air Jordan 8 Retro N7. So, when you open the box, so there's a letter, Supreme, and it's just a welcome letter coming from StockX. And guys, they include 2 stickers from StockX as well. Okay mga kasintas, eto na siya, Jordan 8 Retro N7. So, I believe dun lang to nirelease sa US. And also, doon sa pull tab niya, doon nila nilagay yung chip nila ng Verified Authentic by StockX. Okay guys, overall, yung transaction mabilis.
Surprise, motherfucker.
So, yung pair mukhang authentic naman. And then abangan nyo yung next video ko. Papakita ko sa inyo yung collection ko ng Jordan 1 to Jordan 13. And also dun nga pala sa mga hindi pa nagsusubscribe sa channel ko, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell para ma-notify kayo kapag ka nag-upload ako ng bagong video.